What the fuck?
Two trains coming at the same time?
What the fuck?
That's a Norfolk Southern. It was a CSX.
CN! Canadian National!
Canadian National?
Canadian National!
I think you might have a CPKC.
The fuck you mean Canadian National?
Look! Canadian National, right there! Go, go, go!
No, I'm getting on this fucking side. Cause it's something.
Get on this side.
Jacob, come here!
Run, run, run!
I didn't see that Norfolk.
Get away from the track, get away from the track.
Back up, back up. Right here at Jay.
Canadian National!
Canadian!
And then it might have a CPKC.
First Canadian National on my channel. Canadian National and Canadian Pacific. That was a fucking KCS box. Did you see that?
Insane!
Now, all we need is a CPKC. I'll tell you if we see a CPKC. Because I know you're leaving.
I saw it and I was like, oh my god, Canadian National! And you're like, no way!
Whenever it screeches at you, you gotta scream back. Assert dominance on that motherfucker. The fucking tanker said corn products. I don't think I've ever seen one of those hoppers yet.
We have. It's in the CSX yard.
Oh yeah, fair point. I mean on a moving train.
There.
You got to have it blew right past you. You see what I mean by this is a good spot?
That is amazing.
You can still record fine and it passes right fucking beside you. It gives me the fucking willies whenever they pass me that close. It scares me. Did it scare you?
Not really.
Doesn't scare me that much, but like, there's definitely some fear factor. Old style Autorax. Dare you to reach out and touch it.
I mean, it's not moving too fast, but I'm not going to. CP rail.
Yo! CP rail on a CP rail. Well, CN with a CP rail behind them.
2 Canadian Pacifics in one day.
And a Canadian fucking National.
Yes.
And then not too long ago I saw a CPKC attached to a BNSF. Oh, CN just passed us.
He's got to have an ECU.
Please have that DPUB CPKC.
I know, bro.
All three of the fucking Canadian companies together in one fucking train. Why are you leaving though?
Charge phones. She doesn't want to waste gas to charge phones.
Fair enough. Are you gonna come back?
Yeah, we'll be back.
I'm gonna see if I can if I can stay here all night. Canadian National.
Oh, he doesn't have a DPU.
Do you mind if I walk in front of your shot?
I don't care. Pretty badass.
Oh, let me get a picture of that fucking Dodge Challenger over there. Hi there.